How to enter a referral code on Moneylion. Let's dive right into how to enter a referral code on Moneylion app. If you have got a code from your friend or a promo, this step-by-step guide will help you get covered. First things first, open the Moneylion app on your device. Make sure you have logged into your account. I'm already inside the app. Once you're in, look for the rewards tab at the bottom of the screen. You can see it over here. Tap on it. After you enter rewards, you will see the top of interface, and there's a lot of option at the top. You can see it over here. Just swipe it up. There comes a referral. Tap on it. And over here you can see my referral code. However, there's no section where I can put my referral code. As far as I know, you will only get one chance to enter a referral code, that is after you create an account and if you say enter your referral code over here. However, I can't see any option for enter referral code over here. That means it may not be available right now. But if you want to refer someone, you can use this referral code over here and send it to the friend, and once they are logged in or become the member of Moneylion, you will get the certain amount of bonuses. I will share you a screen for giving you an idea how enter the referral code look like. Let me explain the rest process. After tapping on enter referral code, go ahead and tap on it. A text box will pop up. This is your cue to enter the code you have received. Make sure to double check for any typos because every character counts. After you enter the code, hit the submit button. If everything goes smoothly, you will see a confirmation message that your code has applied successfully. Congratulations! You are now set to enjoy the perks that come with it. If you don't see the confirmation, don't fret. Check that the code is correct or maybe it's expired. And that's it. Super simple, right? If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and happy banking with Moneylion.